Welcome to Eucharito Music Academy. And today we have a very special and wonderful topic called the Tonic Triad. The Tonic Triad. The Tonic Triad is one of the simplest topics in the music theory grade 1. Now let's break it down little by little. We have two words here, tonic and what? Triad. Tonic and triad. What is the tonic? The tonic is the first note of a scale. The tonic is the first note of a scale. You want to sing like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, sol, la, mi, do. That first note there, that's the tonic. The tonic is the first note, do, of a scale. Now, the triad is a chord of three notes. A triad is a chord. A chord is made up of two or more notes. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and so these are notes. C, D, these are notes. But when we talk of chord, by the time you join two or more notes together, it gives you a chord. If I pick C, E, and G together, I press them together or I sound them together, you're having a chord there. So a triad is a chord. Two or more notes make a chord. A chord of three notes. The root, which is the tonic, the root, the third, and the fifth. For instance, if this is a scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The tonic, the triad of C major will be the root, which is C, the third, which is E, and the fifth, which is G. So C, E, G gives us the triad for C major. For instance, this scale F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is nothing. Our root will be this, our third will be this, and our fifth will be this. So the triad for F major is F, A, C. Now, a triad is a chord of three notes, the root, the third, and the fifth. Now, let's join them together. What then is a tonic triad? The tonic triad is the three-note chord, the three-note chord built on the first note of the scale. A tonic triad is the three-note chord, three-note chord built on the first note of the scale, built on the tonic of the scale, a tonic triad. When you hear something triad, what comes to your mind? Three. When you hear bi, two, tetra, four. So this triad means three notes. Are you following? Yes. Now, how can we build a tonic triad? Look at it. This is a treble clef. No sharp, no flat on the fifth major. Definitely this is C major scale. Building our tonic triad will start from the first note, the third, and the fifth. So the first is C. This will be C and C. This is our first note, our third position, and the fifth position. That's tonic triad. First, third, and fifth. This is C for C major. Now look at this. Look at this now. This is another tonic triad for C2. This is C first. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. This is on the first, third, and fifth. This is bass clef. This is C2. This is G. I see it. This is the first, second, first, third, and fifth. Finally, you will draw your tonic triad. Now, you will understand very soon now. Exercise 1. Write the key notes followed by each tonic triad. Write the key notes followed by each tonic triad. Now, this is C major because no sharp, no flat on the key signature. So go just like this. The key note is somewhere here, You can switch to, but there's anyone. The, let's do this one. This is the keynote. C, followed by its tonic triad. Come here, third degree, third degree, fifth degree. That's very simple. Now this is automatic, like this is key G major. It has no sharp effect. Let's go on to key G. Our keynote will be here. Yes. The keynote will be here G. Then the tonic triad will be first, third, and fifth. This is supposed to be on a straight line. Supposed to be on a straight line. I think it's error to power line. That's why it's changing. Supposed to be on a straight line. Meaning something. Supposed to be on a straight line. Straight line. This is a F major. So let's trace our F. F is somewhere here. Our triad is here, here. This is here. G. Keynote will be here. Our triad will be here. First, third, fifth. Next thing is C. Keynote will be here. First, third, fifth. This is D. Keynote will be here. First, third, fifth. Also the straight to the straight. Now, over on this one. This is our keynote. This is D major and treble clef. D. Oh yeah. Keynote. 1, third, fifth. This is F. Keynote. First, third, fifth. Alright. Yes. That's all for tonic triad. Thank you for watching up to this time for our videos that have been of help to you musically. Kindly like our videos, share our videos, click the subscribe button. There are other videos for you to watch. At my right hand side there are videos, at my left hand side there are videos. Just click those videos and you watch them and you will be good. I promise you will be good musically. See you in our next video. Bye bye.